Attach the wireless button to the handlebars with the rubber strap. Open Thinkride app and click the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen to connect the Bluetooth of the smart pack. Short press key 1. The backpack displays a left turn arrow signal to alert the vehicle behind you. Short press button for to activate the voice assistant. Received the voice alert in BT headset. You can say, "Show thank you." Open the app navigation interface. Enter your destination to start navigation and start riding. When approaching an intersection, the smart pack will display the intersection navigation information ahead to alert the vehicles behind you. Push button control of the smart pack to display steering messages. Turns on the steering information and turns it off automatically after 7 seconds. That's all for today. If you want to know more features of the smart pack, please like, follow or contact us. Bye bye.